Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya.
Guys, what's going on now with the witness? How could he do this to us? He ran away with Mrs. Money, or what's going on? And Nurat has asked me at least 70 times, but I'm also asking now, where is the witness, guys? Why is the witness not picking up the calls or answering the WhatsApps from Mama text from Miss? Oh my gosh, guys, like, where is the witness? Was he unalived by you know who? Is over 10 witnesses are gone already. They're not in this world with us. Yeah. Who is taking them? They're taking them to some dark places. Like what has happened to them. They were poisoned. Hey guys, this is crazy. Papa umuntu empuma. Inkosi Gandlovu was coming out of the mall. I just can't even. This is telling us, those people are not safe, yeah. But some investigating team. In the end is no. So now they are afraid abantu, guys. It's crazy. Gahle no Ratuna manga. Khona manje sethi enoMakhosonke threatened ulo. Guys, if you can listen to the thing, those are not threats. Threatening the prosecutor, Dr. Sibanda, guys. Dr. Sibanda, who can threaten that person? Goba vele uMakhosonke uzomfaka impama outside that court if he wanted to. And that's the smallest thing he can do. Like he can't even do much. He doesn't have to come back to that court again. I'm just like, guys, you're control state just because they can't win. So you're always gonna come up with stories. uMakhosonke never threatened Ulo. Dr. Roni Sibanda. The way Urata Anamanga Ngakona, guys. Even me, he's been telling us that's a story, and we just feel like it's far-fetched. That story, there's nothing there for us. Actually, it's security corner a court. They're going to analyze me. We don't care about those things because, like I said, in December, who even cares? Asinje, please. The only thing that I want is just to look good on my casket for my wife. Like, really, bro? Like.
Request that was issued with regard to the closure of accused number one's case be held in abeyance pending the investigation with regard to what could have happened to the witness or what is the position with that witness. And then so that when I come back with a precise answer. But as of
that all these witnesses must be housed at the cost of the state. So that when we are through with one witness, the other one comes in. I don't understand how we can pay hotel accommodation, transportation, and the witness doesn't turn up.
They cannot be housed, my lord, and I'm saying that with due respect, they cannot be housed at the state's house because they are not under witness protection. That can only happen in circumstances where witnesses have been identified or a threat against them has been identified and the identified as candidates for witness protection program. That's where then they can be housed in those circumstances. Under normal circumstances, I haven't heard that a normal witness should be housed at
I made an order here.
In a place of safety.
Wait. No. Mr. Baloyi, didn't I make an order to that effect?
Yes, indeed, such an order was made. The state is available to assist should assistance be.
It wasn't dependent on a person becoming a witness for the prosecution under witness protection or what have you. The order was explicit. He told me the witnesses are from Natal in the main. I spoke to the registrar. You also were here. The registrar agreed that if the witness is from Natal, he'll be housed at the expense of the state the previous day. He'll travel, be housed, sleep here, and then he comes to court the following day. If the evidence takes 6 years, he's still here. That was the order I made.
That is in place, my lord.
So where's the witness?
That is what I've just explained, my lord. That the hotel bookings, those measures have been put in place. We just have been waiting for the arrival of that witness from wherever they are coming from.
Where is the witness?
The witness is not here. That is what I'm explaining.
Where is he? It's not here, it's not enough. Where is he?
That is the reason why I am saying, my lord, that I am trying to find out what is the position with that witness.
Didn't you speak to the witness on Friday?
I spoke to
Saturday?
him, yes.
Sunday?
Yes.
Monday?
Yeah.
Where is he?
My lord, I've just said, yesterday, when I started to speak to him in order to arrange the point of meeting where we should meet so that I can take him to the hostel, or to the hotel where he has been booked, that's where then there was a problem. And I've just revealed that it's a him. In any event, it's a him. But for the court to say, but where is the witness when I'm explaining that, look, I haven't had contact with him since yesterday. I don't know what is happening.
No, but you should be telling me. No. You should be telling me. I spoke to him on Sunday. He said he would meet in court, something like that.
No, my lord. The arrangement is not that we should meet in court.
What?
He's traveling from another province.
So?
He has been booked at a hotel.
So?
He has been booked at a hotel. So he needs to travel from that province to this province, and we meet here in Pretoria, and I take him to Pretoria, to the hotel where he has been booked, because he'll be coming on a public transport. That was our arrangement on Friday when we spoke. And I even sent him money for that purpose, traveling money, because the state does not give him money in advance. He'll have to use his own money to come over here. When he arrives here, and then he goes and claim all his traveling expenses. That was the arrangement. But yesterday in the morning, when I reminded him that we are meeting today, and in fact, I sent a message to him via WhatsApp to say, look, please do not forget your ID book. That's when I realized that it does not respond to my messages. That's when I realized that this is unlike him. Then I started to call him.
So if you phone him now, can't you speak to him?
I've been calling him since the morning, my lord. The phone is ringing, it does not pick it up. That is what I'm trying to explain. So the next option available to me now is just to find out, because I did not know his next relatives. Up until the arrival of Mr. Sibiya here, who informs me that, look, if you can phone this person, then that person will be able to get you a phone number to that person. Then we might be in a position to collate what the situation is. But for them to be, Mr. Baloyi says, no, that was the order of the court that they should be housed at a particular place. These people are working. They cannot come and sit here in Pretoria for 3, 4, 5 weeks for the fun of it. These people are working. They cannot come and wait here up until the day on which their name is being called. And another thing, my lord, is these people are afraid of this investigating team. So I cannot expose them to this investigating
Which investigating team?
The team that is led by Mr. Kininda. They are afraid of it. So I cannot expose them.
I don't understand. I thought the investigation is finished.
Yes, but if the court says that we can make those arrangements with the state, we're basically saying we're throwing them into the lion's den. This court has had a lot of what has happened to Kwaben and all those people. That I cannot do, my lord. They're afraid of this investigating team. But as of now, this witness,
you know what?
I don't know what is happening.
Just listen to me. I'm going to make an order that we must hear that witness virtually.
He's staying in the villages, my lord, at a place that I would not mention. I don't know if they will have those facilities. But another thing is, even if that order gets made, my lord, we are unable to create a contact with him, a link with him. So if the message of that order, if that order is made, how will then the message be cascaded down to him and say, look, make the following arrangements? That's a challenge that we're having. Because
does he have a cell phone, this witness?
Excuse me, my lord?
Does he have a cell phone?
Yes, that is what we have been communicating
and
through.
Can you leave messages for him?
Yes, I do have messages on my phone.
Does he not respond?
No, he does not respond. Yesterday in the morning, as I'm saying, as the last message that I sent him was, can you please not forget your ID book? Because that would be needed at the hotel where he was going to be accommodated. Then he did not respond. That's when I realized that this is unlike him. This could be something, what I don't know. But I'm unable to create a direct link with him for him to explain what the position is. So, but at least there's a person that I've managed to phone when I was standing outside there, who said they will give me a number that I can call that would then create a link with the family members where this witness is staying for them to explain what could be the position. If the court doesn't mind, my lord, may we take a very brief adjournment? So I create that link and then I come and explain to the court what the
What is the state's attitude? Hey? I've seen it all in this court.
If we can stand the matter down just to allow the defense to make contact
fine.
with the witness.
It's always the first time. The other day,
ufakazi wakhe umnumzana uSiya akatholakali uyashilo advocate news ukuthi kade khulumisana naye ukusukela ngolwesihlanu inkinga izoba khona ke izolo uma esemthumela ke umlayezo ukuthi ke emtshela ukuthi bazohlangana kuphi ukuthi kumanje nje ufakazi akatholakali kodwa ke ikhona inamba etholakele basafuna ke basafisa ukuthi bafonele loyo bezwe ke ukuthi kwenzekani ngaye ufakazi.
Yeah, I'm seeing things happen.